Hi, I'm Amy with Storyline Travel. Welcome to our tour of decks 16 to 19 on the Regal Princess. We're going to start on deck 16, the Lido deck. This is where the main pools are located. There are two pools, a plunge pool and a fountain pool. And in between the two is a platform that provides a splash pad for the kids and adults too. When evening comes, don't miss the nighttime water fountain light show. Check your Princess app for the days and times, and go visit this magical nighttime show. There are plenty of lounge chairs, couch and chair settings, as well as tables and chairs to enjoy the dining options that are available right by the pool. Prego Pizzeria has been voted the best pizza at sea, and I found it to be delicious. They offer a margarita, pepperoni, or vegetarian pizza daily, and then a specialty pizza of the day. Right next door to the pizzeria is the Trident Grill. This counter service offers burgers, hot dogs, chicken sandwiches, and pulled pork sandwiches, and of course, French fries. Movies Under the Stars is a big outdoor TV screen visible from most of the loungers on the Lido decks. Morning Talks with Mika, our cruise director, give you an overview of all the events going on for the day. But you can also watch this in your stateroom. As the name suggests, you will also find fun movies to watch on this big screen, as well as concerts. Just check the app or the Princess Patter for show times. Enjoy a stroll on the Seawalk. This over-the-sea walkway curves out from the ship and is a fun detour while walking on the Lido deck, especially on sea days. The Horizon Court and the Horizon Bistro are your buffet dining options, just aft of the Lido deck. You can also find the juice bar and the pastry shop in here. Discover this sweet alcove with many tempting options to top off your meal. Continuing aft, you will find the Horizon's Terrace. This is an outdoor space to enjoy your meal or just relax with a gorgeous wake view. Catch some rays on the sun deck. Deck 17 offers plenty of lounge chairs to work on your tan or catch the movie playing on the big screen. If you head aft, you will find the fitness center. There's plenty of equipment for your favorite workout, plus a variety of fitness classes. Just sign up in the classroom. Please note, there are fees for some of the fitness classes. Deck 17 is where you will find all the kids' clubs. From ages 3 to 17, there are plenty of fun activities to keep them busy. Camp Discovery houses the Tree House, which is for ages 3 to 7, and the Lodge for ages 8 to 12. The Beach House Teen Lounge is a great hangout for those ages 13 to 17. The Terrace Pool is located on the very back of the ship, and this pool is smaller and a bit quieter and has some really beautiful sea views. But do note, this is also the location of the designated smoking area. For adults who would like some kid-free space, head all the way forward to the Retreat Adult Pool and Sanctuary. Plenty of first-come, first-served lounge chairs are available for adults 18 plus to enjoy time hanging out at the pool. If you want a space to call your own, try the Sanctuary. The Sanctuary offers an exclusive experience with reserved loungers or cabanas, upgraded food options, and dedicated servers. Reservations can be made anytime at the entrance to the Sanctuary, but it is recommended that you do this as soon as you board, as it can sell out quickly. Fees do apply. The forward area of Deck 18 has more lounge chairs for sunning, movie watching, or relaxing. I took the opportunity to listen to a concert by Imagine Dragons that was playing on the big screen. I found this little deck area with a great view and some shade to relax and enjoy the music. There are also some tiered loungers nearby. If you head aft, Deck 18 is for the active cruiser. The jogging track is here, and I did manage to complete a mile, or a mile and a half. I lost count. But here I am at lap 3. It was pretty busy up here on this sea day, but spring break meant we had a full ship. There's a basketball court that is also set up for those pickleball fans. Work on your golf swing or challenge your family to a game of ping pong. The ping pong table is enclosed in a net to stop all those rogue ping pong balls from falling into the sea. If you head up the stairs to deck 19, you'll find the sky deck. Here you can find the lawn court, which has 3 small putt-putt holes, and shuffleboard. Spectators who come up here have a bird's eye view of the basketball or pickleball games going on down below. And please note, while there are some aft elevators that'll help you get up to deck 18, the sky deck is only accessible by stairs. Well, we hope you enjoyed this tour of the Regal Princess. If you click the subscribe button, we will be sure you're notified of new videos when they're released. And if you would like to see a ship tour of another princess ship, check out our Ruby Princess playlist. And at Storyline Travel, we believe every adventure is a story waiting to be told.